spot right now, and we're gonna go skate, eat food maybe, and there's a lot of people here, and
Yeah. Oh, they're going to vlog-3.
yeah.
Did you get that on video?
I heard, yeah.
Oh!
That's going in the video.
No, it's not.
You. Hey, is it good?
You look like an idiot.
That's what I was going for. Okay, let's start eating now. I'm the editor. I don't care what happens.
Dude, I'm gonna make a video exposing you as a. Oh, that was a close one. You almost dropped it.
I almost dropped it. Was it filming?
Yes, it was filming. Dude, it's filming right now.
Stop. Oh my gosh, look. Someone opened the bag of Takis.
Roman, shut
That's
up.
I did. An extra $1 for the mentos. I'll pay for taxes.
No. Roman, this was your idea.
Yeah, Roman.
I guess YouTube's not gonna get it.
Okay, we're here at Walgreens and Dalen's looking for Pokemon cards. Because he didn't find any at Dollar Tree. Okay, let's find those Mentos.
We already found them.
Roman,
Okay, then go
if
get them.
you keep carrying that around, people are going to think you're stealing.
Oh my gosh, that'd be so funny.
I want that.
Sir,
Oh,
you can't steal them.
oh, shut up. God, it's just.
Which one, guys?
I swear.
Which one,
Your
Dalen?
mom says you should go home. Okay, here they are. Roman, grab them.
Which one?
It doesn't matter.
The one on the left. That one. The Menti. And they're $1.29. So you have enough, right, Roman?
No.
Roman, what did you do? What did I do?
You took all my money.
Oh, here's $1. You owe me money for that.
Doesn't he?
Here, just take it. I have enough for it.
He's like, yeah, I don't.
Roman, we
Let the lady
You took my money.
I was looking at pictures.
this way. Now we are going to go behind the building, and we are going to blow stuff up with soda. This is gonna be awesome. Watch it.
You know how to do it. You have to pour all the Mentos in, and then
Shut it.
tap, and then run away. And then it'll explode.
No,
I'm gonna do it in slow motion on my phone.
Wait, I gotta change my battery. I'm gonna put Mentos in this soda right here.
Dude, you guys got scared.
You did too.
Put
It's
all of
alright.
the mentos in.
Wait, should you drink, like, pour out some of it first so it has room to go?
No.
Yeah, kinda.
That's
Just pour it out.
We should pour it out some because. Alright, so we have to be ready to throw a bunch. Ready?
Yeah. No one, back up.
Oh my gosh. Not all of them are in there. Roman, hold it down, hold it down, hold it down. Let's put more in there. It exploded so quickly I couldn't even tie it on. Roman! Stop! Alright, let go. Look, now we have a bunch.
Now, wait, close it and shake it.
Wait, close it first.
Y'all are taking.
You guys suck at bottle flipping.
It's so heavy.
Let me see it.
I almost landed that. Woo!
Roman. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it.
Wait.
Why do you keep interrupting
Wait,
me?
turn it off. The very end I have to sit on. Actually, no, I don't want to be in it.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, or leave a comment down below and tell me if you liked it so I can make more of these. And see you later. Bye.
Honey bun.